Welcome to Syntasa. This video will review our data quality and alerting solution, including the dashboards, alerts, and the Syntasa app working behind the scenes performing the assessment of the data. We will start by triaging a data quality issue using the dashboard and work our way backward to see how the framework is constructed. The process begins with an alert notification for unusual behavior in your data. From there, we can delve into the dashboard to gain a deeper understanding of data anomalies occurring then. We start our investigation on the Alert Summary page, where we can see which columns might be subject to unusual behaviors. Here, the dashboard is highlighting a column in one of our datasets, EVAR5, System Errors, that has a score significantly larger than the threshold that we would expect this column to vary across time. Furthermore, this error appears to be a new data quality issue, as it is the first time it has been flagged across the last 7 days. Now let's delve into the reasons why this alert was triggered. The next page of the dashboard provides us with information on the distribution of each field. From the main table in this view, we can see that our suspect column usually populates in 18% of the records. This historical precedence is captured here within the baseline percent column. However, on this particular day, system errors appear to populate on 40% of data points. This is significantly larger than what we would expect and is likely to be a cause of concern. To better understand the cause of this data issue, we now navigate to the section of our dashboard that assesses each value. Within the columns of our datasets here, we can see that the main reason for the increase in recorded system errors was driven by expired API credentials, whose records account for half of all system errors occurring on that particular day. We can gain greater context on the issue by applying relevant filters. So, in addition to what the error is, we can also understand where the error was most prominent, which, in this case, appears to be on TV shopping pages on the website, as well as when the error was occurring, which appears to be from 11 a.m. onwards. In addition to what has been demonstrated in this example, the data quality and alerting solution is capable of monitoring and alerting on metrics in your data set, as well as the cardinality of your data. Now let's move from the dashboard and walk backward to look at how the data is created in the Syntasa application. In the Syntasa platform, we can observe the framework that powers the data quality dashboard. Data quality is first assessed at the table level, before going more granular to assess the columns comprising each table, and then finally onto assessments of the values within each column of each table. As demonstrated earlier, this hierarchical approach to assessing data provides greater context around data quality issues. The setup begins by defining the data sets that will need to be monitored within the data quality framework. Syntasa's integration with Google Sheets makes it easy for users to define the data set to process by populating a spreadsheet with the relevant table details. Users can then add more data sets to monitor by simply adding their details to the spreadsheet, or conversely, remove datasets to be monitored by removing entries within this same spreadsheet. After defining the tables, the pipeline then goes on to assess each feature of your data and create historical measurements that will form the validation blueprint for the most recent uploads via a series of no-code processes. For example, this process allows users to configure several options, such as defining how they would want their historical precedents calculated, which fields should be populated as part of these historical calculations, as well as the time interval by which the historical precedent should be set. Here we can amend our historical precedents from a 7-day calculation to a new window based on the last 30 days. That is a quick overview of the Syntasa data quality and alerting solution. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and we will provide you with more detail and discuss how we can further utilize the solution for your use case. Thank you.